Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I filmed anything. There's a couple of reasons for that. So before I dive on in, I just want to say I hope you guys are staying healthy, and if you're unfortunately down with the sickness, if you will, please get better. I wish the best for you. These are trying times. One of the reasons why I haven't filmed anything in a while, first of all, my stitch fix has been delayed like 3 times due to COVID related issues. Nadine West just stopped. Like, if you log on to your profile, it says like, hey, our shipments are going to be delayed because they're sending a lot of their people, or I guess spending their resources trying to make face masks for those in need. So, I mean, hey, kudos to them. I know I've talked about canceling them, but then they sent me a really sweet birthday message because my birthday was at the end of March, and I was like, why not? In these troubling times, why not support a small company like Nadine West? So yeah, I'll get a stitch fix out whenever I can. Same with Nadine West. We'll just kind of have to wait and see. Stitch Fix is now saying it's supposed to ship by the 11th, but I'm not holding my breath. So that's a little sad. Another part is I do have old cruise material that I can make into new vlogs. I've just been kind of borderline depressed about the fact that the cruising industry, like, I don't think it's gonna be, done forever. I definitely think it's gonna make a comeback, but we definitely had plans to go on a cruise in September, and I'm not convinced we're gonna be able to, even if the cruises are back up and running by then, just because both my job and Mike's job have put little provisions in there saying, like, if you go on a cruise, you're automatically gonna have to take an additional 14 days off, which might change by September, but I'm not optimistic. So we might have to cancel that, and it's a whole thing. But I did get my Ipsy, and if you guys are subscribers to Ipsy, you may have gotten your Ipsy like stupid early. I knew they had like pushed up all the dates of everything because of the whole COVID and all that stuff, because they're concerned about not being able to get things out on time. So kudos to Ipsy for that. I actually got my box on like April 1st or 2nd, and I actually thought it was like a low-key April Fool's joke. I actually opened my box already because I was like, I need to double check to make sure this is actually my Ipsy and not something else I ordered. And I was like, oh, it's my Ipsy. Because normally I don't get it until like maybe the earliest is the 7th of the month. So yeah, it's just taken me a while to get time to film. I am an essential employee, and because of everything happening, I have been working a lot of extra hours. My schedule in general has just been kind of funky. So I finally got some time to go ahead and film this, and let's finally dive on in now that I've done with excuses about how I haven't been filming for a while. Okay, so April's theme is full bloom, and there's a card in here. This is what it looks like. It says on the back, whether you're looking for a 101 on liquid liner, an expert's take on skincare ingredients, or the perfect hairstyle how-to, the Ipsy blog has the intel. Get ready, your skills are about to super bloom. Okay, is this our only, this might be our only card in here. Interesting. So it doesn't look like they did the card with the MSRPs, but it's okay. Let's go ahead and dive on in. So our first product is the Sela by Celine Tedrisi Cream Rose, the very best cream rose body cream. Let's see. I'm gonna say it's a body lotion. Let's go ahead and smell this. I'll have to take off the foil. This is kind of in theme, so that's kind of cool. Ooh. So far, I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on because my hands have been ratchet with all this extra hand washing I've been having to do lately. While it doesn't smell like rose, or maybe there's just like a hint of rose, it's not overwhelming. I figured this would be very rose scented. It says deliciously aromatic with notes of sweet jasmine, peach, and rose water, and enriched with Canadian botanicals. I'll have to put the word here. Butter and Abyssinian oil. This velvety body cream hydrates and softens skin. I'm digging it. It reminds me of something like a scent I'd find in like a Victoria's Secret lotion. So, all right, man. Let's look at our next project. The next is the Triple Shot XXL Mascara by Ciate London. a month or two since I've gotten a mascara. I feel like lately I've been getting a lot of mascaras and eyeliners. This is what the tube looks like. Let's pull out that wand. Oh, except now everything's hard to open because, you know, I put on lotion. Good job, me. Oh, I do like that wand. This could be good. I'll have to try this. And I'm excited. And I typically do like products from Ciate London. The next product is the Tartiste Double Take Eyeliner. Yeah, another eyeliner, but what's kind of cool about this, if you look at the box, one side it looks like liquid and the other side it looks like the charcoal, whatever it's called, normal eyeliner, if you will. Okay, and again, my hands are lotiony, so it's really hard to open these bad boys up. Okay, so this is the traditional eyeliner end. Not hating it, not mad. And then let's look at that wand. Okay, it looks like your pretty basic liquid eyeliner wand. I will say it does kind of feel like I'm getting two products for the price of one here, because I feel like I'm getting two different eyeliners. We'll just have to see how fast that liquid eyeliner runs out on me, which I feel like traditionally has been a problem, not project. I almost said project again. It's been a problem, I feel like, with some of the Ipsy eyeliners I've been getting, is that they dry out very fast after only a couple of uses, and I feel like that's just not the norm if I were to go to the store and buy something new. The next item are these Star Skin VIP face masks. So one is the Diamond Mask. It is an illuminating luxury biocellulose face mask, and the other one is Creme de la Creme, instantly recovering luxury cream coating face mask. So it's just two masks. Normally I would be a little like, hey Ipsy, I am the Glam Bag Plus. I'm not the, you know, lowest level Glam Bag subscriber where they would only send two, but I did see these MSRP, like their MSRP somewhere. Maybe it was like on FabFitFun's edit sale. And these are definitely more expensive than just your average face mask. So I do feel like, at least money's worth wise, this is a deal here. And then the last product is the Shayna the Miami Blush and Highlight Palette. I do really like all the flamingos. I like flamingos. I like animals a lot in general. Let's go ahead and open this up and look at these colors. I do like these colors, but the one that's brickle, I'm not sure. I don't know. We'll just kind of have to see how that swatches, and I'll definitely insert a little swatch picture in here when I am not filming, because I'm really bad. I just feel like my camera's really bad at like focusing on things that I try to hold up, which is probably because I'm filming on my phone and has nothing to do with the camera itself. And then lastly, let's take a look at this bag. It's kind of cute. I do like it, that it seems a little bit bigger than normal, and the little handle's a cute, unique touch. I might actually keep this one. So anyway, that was my April Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now before I go ahead and end this video, I do always review last month's products and whether or not I used them and whether or not I liked them. So let's go ahead and briefly review March's products. So the first product is this Phase Zero Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm actually wearing this right now. I really like this color. I think this is the perfect spring color. I've been really liking the wear. I wore this, I've only worn this twice now. One time is today, and the other time was on my birthday, and it was really nice. So I'm very happy about this product. The next one is the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I meant to try this, but like I said, my life has been very crazy lately. I have not had any sort of time for self-care. Sometimes showering, just like, I obviously have to shower, but like doing anything special in the shower, such as an exfoliating cleanser versus my normal cleanser, seems like a lot of work lately. So I'm trying. I've not tried it yet, but I'm very happy in general with the product because I do like Glam Glow products, and the scent on that was very nice. The next one is the Autobomb Pick Perfect Shadows on the Go palette. The only issue I have is how hard it is to open. There's this little ribbon on the side, and if you don't pick it just right, this thing is literally impossible to open up. And I've only done, like I said, I haven't really been wearing makeup lately because my life has been so crazy. I did do today's eye look with this, with the Pennsylvania shade and the Rodeo. I don't know if it's supposed to be rodeo, like you're going to a rodeo, or rodeo, like Rodeo Drive. But either way, I used those two colors to make this eye look today, pretty basic, but I do really like the colors in this palette, and I do see myself using this a lot. So again, very happy, other than how annoying it is to open up. Another item that I got in March that I also have not broken into, as you can clearly tell, is the coffee scrub, and this was in the scent or flavor, I guess it wouldn't be a flavor because we're not tasting it, but in the scent coconut. Again, clearly did not have time to use this. I've been meaning to do some more self-care baths and make my skin feel good stuff here soon. So hopefully I'll have a chance to use it, but I was typically pretty happy with this product that I received in my March Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Another product I received was the Luna Liner by Seraphine Botanicals. It's just a liquid eyeliner in black. Again, I've only used this like twice because I've been busy. It hasn't dried out yet. So there's that going for it. But if it does dry out within like 2 months, and considering I've only been doing my makeup like twice a month right now until this whole thing blows over, I'm gonna be upset. And then lastly, for March's glam bags, everyone got an extra product because there was, I think it was their 100th glam bag, or maybe it was their 200th. I don't quite remember, but the 6th product I got was this Precision Concealer Brush. You can tell I used it. I did use it for the concealer under my eyes, and then when I was doing my lips earlier, I done goof down here, and I actually had to use the, like, this actually worked really well as far as like fixing that. So I really enjoyed this brush. This has been super cool. Anyways, if you've made it this far, thanks so much for watching, considering doing the things that the YouTube algorithm likes. And please stay safe, stay healthy, please stay home. And I hope you guys have a good day.